Hey class, so we do have some new letters this week. Before we learn our new letters, I want to review our old letters that we've learned so far. So the A says A, remember like acrobat. Sorry, let me just get organized here really quickly. All right, the B says B. The C says K. The D says D, 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 D. The E says E, 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 E. The F says F, 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 F. The G says G, 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 G. The H says The I says I. The J says J, 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 J. The K says K, 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 K. The L says O, 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 O. The M says The N says The O says ah, 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 ah. The P says p, 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 p. The Q says qua, 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 qua. The R says And our letter today that we learned in class was the S, and the S says S, 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 S. Our new letter for this week, the T, says T, 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 T. For the U, you grab a hold of an umbrella, so the U says For the V, you make a volcano. The V says V, 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 V. For the W, make a wave. The W says wah, 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 wah. For the X, you make an X with your hands. The X says x, 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 x. For the Y, you grab a yo-yo. The Y says ya, 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 ya. And actually, that's one too far. Good luck learning your letters this week.